So, would you like to have a screensaver that outputs pictures on your Raspberry Pi? I did this, but it was not as simple as doing a sudo apt-get. So, follow along as I tell you how to do this. So, to get to the point where you can display the photos when you're not doing anything on the Raspberry Pi, you need to download what is called screensaver, but you have to add options to it. So if you go here and look at this, this is what you have to do. If you do just a sudo apt-get install screensaver, you will get a screensaver but without the GL slideshow. And GL slideshow is what puts the pictures up on the screen. So you have to do sudo apt-get install screensaver screensaver-gl-extra screensaver-data-extra. Now I'm not sure what the data-extra does, but I used that and it gave me the GL screensaver. So now what you do is if you click open the options menu, go to preferences, all of a sudden you'll see an extra choice at the bottom. Before, all you had were these 6, and it was kind of strange when you look at all the YouTube videos. They've already installed screensaver, but sometimes didn't tell you. So here's where the screensaver is. Here's the display modes. You'll have GL slideshow. Well, if I looked at that and actually read it, it says blank after how long before the screensaver activates is 2 minutes. How long each display mode should run before choosing a new one in random mode. And then, of course, lock screen says how long after the screen blanks until a password will be required. Of course, I thought cycle after meant that's when the screensaver would come on, but it's the blank after. And the other thing, and cycle after has nothing to do with the slideshow. Choose only one screensaver. You can choose a random, but if you choose random, you will have to choose that. But the best thing to do is choose, for me anyway, was choose only one screensaver. Go down to GL slideshow, and then it will show that. Now there is a website that I looked at that said this is how you set it up so that it puts up the pictures in the way you want. And he said go to your image directory. Let's see, starting with screensaver, .screensaver, it should save in your home directory, and it did. I looked at the image directory, and it had the folder that I wanted, and then it says go to user share application screensavers, GL slideshow.desktop, and then it says usually this will be what it has, so you have to put this in. Now duration and pan if they're both the same value, then instead of your one picture getting panned around, it'll just show that one picture. And then fade is how many seconds between pictures. Unfortunately, that didn't work at all. Fact is, if you look down in the comments, it'll say, one guy says, hey, this didn't work. Fortunately, further on down in the comments, another guy says, oh, what you have to do, you have to go to settings and change this. So pan zoom duration, it was right down here, and if you look at it, that, if you notice, it says GL's slideshow-root. So if we go back and set that up and the duration up, this is what it will have. Zoom 100, pan 30. So that will give us something that looks like this. And if you saw that going through twice, that's like it did a pan. And for some reason that I haven't been able to figure out, but it does enough of what I want that I don't care. And you can't set up the duration to, it appears to me anyway, you can't set up the duration to anything more than 30 seconds. Fact is, here it says, turning off pan fade to condensate, which is wonderful. But anyway, that's what it does. And if we wait another 30 seconds, it'll show another picture. So you have that, and once you have that, you can then sit here, and after, what did I have, 2 minutes, screensaver will come on.